there's one slight issue. Woody Woodpecker and me are mortal enemies. Ever since I was born, he was born right with me, and we fought. We've been beating the crap out of each other ever since we met. It was insane. Now, I've decided we're gonna take control. We're gonna fight back and win. We're going to kill Woody Woodpecker. So today we're gonna call him at 3 a.m. and we're gonna beat the living crap out of him. So let's get started, guys. As you can tell, I've been fermenting this diamond to kill him with, and I'm so excited. Okay, guys, let's call him up. Ringing. He usually picks up quick.
Yeah, what you coming about? Huh? You did that? Yeah, bro, you did, bro. Come on, bro.
Get out of here, Woody Woodpecker! Woo! I just 360 no-scope that boy!
You cheated, first hit!
Of course I cheated! It's time to finish you off! Yeah, Woody Woodpecker. Woody ain't gonna do nothing. Yeah! Yeah, Woody retard pecker. Ain't gonna peck nothing. Look at you. You can't even handle the heat, can you? Oh, frick, he can't handle the heat. How's it feel, retard woodpecker? How's it feel? What a stupid woodpecker. Woodpecker? More like stupid pecker.
Yeah.
Decide he might be a little burnt up, so I, dampen him down, and we're just gonna leave him in the freezer for a little while. We're just gonna leave him in the freezer for a little bit, Wow, guys, what a stupid woodpecker! I know, right? I thought that I couldn't handle him, but I just had to show him the true power of Crusty Trayson. Check out my enchanted diamond. It's very enchanted, and soon it'll ferment enough on this side, and it'll ferment to get. I shattered the diamond! That means 15 more years of fermenting! That's all, guys! You hit the bell notification!